Well, I have finally made it to the big time. Just kidding. Somebody wrote me and asked me to review this Autel MaxiLink ML629. So if you might be interested in that, please stick around and I'll show you all I know about it. I'll unbox it and then we'll talk about it. So as I was saying, I was reached out to by Autel to see if I would be willing to try out one of their OBD2 scanners. I'm going to do an unboxing right now to show you what's in the package, and then once I get it out of the box I will do a little bit more research on it. It says it retrieves codes, works on most OBD2 and CAN domestic and imports, reads, stores, playbacks, live PCM data streams, retrieves vehicle information. So it seems to do a lot. So before I even talk about that though, I'd like to unbox it. So again, this was sent to me for free to review and comment on. So thank you, Autel, I appreciate it. And here we go. Open this sucker up if I can. It's like Christmas, but different. Alright, comes in, boom. What all does it come with? Alright, it comes with the handheld unit, it looks like, if I can get it out of there. There we go. So it comes with a nice protected hands tool, MaxiLink by Autel. And this particular one's an ML629. So let me see what's in the bag. Comes with its own storage container. Autel, there's their link. Autel Tech, www.com, autel.com. Do that one over. So I'll cut that out. So yeah, Autel. There you go. It says right on the bag. I'll put a link to the description below. So let's open this sucker up and see what's in the bag itself. Can't wait to find out. Instructions, very important. I'm gonna go read the instructions so I know what's going on, and a quick reference guide about how to get started. So there we go, quick reference guide, how to get started quickly, and then the actual handbook. And then the final piece of the puzzle, it looks like, maybe more. Okay, so there's two cords here, and one of them is, I assume, to connect it to your computer. Even though I think it says it's Wi-Fi, but internet updatable via USB. So I don't see any Bluetooth on it, but like I said, I'm going to read all the information about it before I finish commenting on it. Then the OBD2 connector and the cord, and it's got a little memory chip in it already. So there you go. That's the unboxing. It's not very much to it. I'm going to put a link to it also below for my Amazon Associates account, and let me go on. Thank you. I have decided to try the old Autel ML629 on the Ford Focus. I want to try out the transmission control module reader. So so far it looks pretty sturdy, it looks pretty durable. It's got you know, it's a good thing. So let me hook it up and we'll see what it does. So of course it goes down into the OBD2 port. Yeah, I hate to say it to you, but for all you Arctic Blast people, sorry. Alright, so Alright, so you get to Ford. It says processing data. Start new session. It's communicating with the vehicle. There you go. Gasoline direct injection, automatic, the control unit. So we want to take a look at the transmission control module. You can also do the restraint control module, which is the SRS, powertrain control module, or the anti-lock brakes. So handheld. It says read codes. It says vehicle must be prepared for self-test. Do not activate vehicle switches during test. Ensure the following initial conditions are met. Vehicle is not moving. Transmission is in park. Okay. We'll do the retrieve. No faults detected. Okay. Then we're gonna do the key on, engine off test, which is what I have it in right now. Do not act. Okay. Yes, they are met. No faults or codes detected. Okay. So then we're going to do the key on engine running test. Yes, it's running. That's cool. The ABS light's flashing. Ooh, no codes detected. So there's no faults with my transmission. That's good to know. Uh-oh, I got a code. It says a lost communication with active grill air. So I might have to look that one up. So we're going to save that code. Alright. Alright, and we're going to do the key on, engine on test. This thing's pretty cool. Okay, yes. Ooh, it's doing all kinds of stuff with the RPM. I had shit flashing on there. Dang, I got all kinds of codes. Brake switch out of self-test range. Lost communication. Oh, we had that one. So I guess I'm going to save these and check these out. I did not know I had codes, but now I know. Engine coolant temperature sensor out of test range. So I got issues and I got to figure them out. So it's got a whole bunch of different tests on there. I don't think I could do a quick enough review of this, so I'm just going to play with it and then I'll have it closing. I decided to check live data and it's just going, you know, I want to get the complete list. I don't even know what that is, but load, engine coolant temperature, RPM, 11 degrees spark, intake to air temperature 73 degrees, 10%, O2. Alright, like I said, I'm going to do a little bit messing around and then I'll do a review. I messed around with the Autel ML629 and I'm rather impressed with it. Before I start any of this again, like I said at the beginning, they sent it to me to review. I've previously done a review of an OBD2 scanner that's on a cell phone. It's called Torque or OBD scanner or something like that. It uses a dongle. You plug it in the OBD2 and you can get live data feeds on it. This is a lot better, better for a DIYer. You can, like I said, you can get the restraint codes, you can see it, and then you can clear it. Transmission control module codes, you see it and you can clear it. You can do the actual PCM or ECM codes, read them and clear it. And there's a fourth one. But anyways, it's a very powerful tool for the home DIYer. Now, I went and checked, so you can find this one from $104 to $129, different places on the internet. As always, I'm going to link it in my in the description to my Amazon associate store. But I found it some places cheaper, but you had to pay for the shipping. But anyways, my point to this is that I went to the Torque website and some other OBD2 scanners for your cell phone, and most of them can read these codes, but they can't clear the SRS, the transmission control module codes. So you know, they do the engine codes, but they can't read, or they can read them but they can't clear them. So and to get the system, you actually have to use a laptop, and then that actually gets close to the same cost as this scanner, whereas this is pretty durable. You can get the codes, you can clear the codes. It does actually, you can have it recording, and then you can download to your computer, or you can print it out so you can take it to the dealer if you can't fix it yourself. You know, there's a bunch of different tests that I didn't show, but if you go and you look at it online at their website, it'll help you, you know, do that. So it covers ABS, your restraint, the transmission, and the engine. And as you saw with mine, it'll actually pull codes when there isn't a check engine light. You know, there's a couple of my sensors that are out of what do you call that? Out of the specified range. So you know, it can help. I don't have any problems right now with that, and I'm still getting 35 miles per gallon, so I'm not too terribly upset about it. But you know, I'm gonna clear them and then I'll check them again and see if they come back. You know, it's a really good tool for the home DIYer. So you know, and again, like I said, they sent it to me, I reviewed it. I've reviewed other ones, but the other, you know, the Torque app it doesn't reset some of these codes. So anyways, I hope this helps you decide if you need one or you don't need one. But like I said, I like it. It's sturdy. It's gonna help me. You know, and you can get the Torque app and use it on an Android screen in your car, and you can get the live data streams. So that's a totally different thing. This is for actually, you know, for testing your components and deciding what's wrong, and then resetting the code. So if you like the review, please smash that like button. If you got any questions that I didn't answer in the review, please put them in the comments below, and I'll try and get to them. I try and answer 100% of all comments. I might not get to it the same day you put it there, but I will get to it. And that's it. You know, I keep thanking everybody. I really appreciate everybody liking, subscribing, sharing these, and I'll keep doing them. And
like I said, I made the big time. I got something. So anyways, thanks everybody for watching, and have a great night.